Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to recover your WhatsApp account without phone number and email. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open your Google Chrome and search WhatsApp and click on the first website. Now scroll down and click here contact us and then click here. Now you can see put your phone number here and email address here and then confirm your email and choose whatever you are using and then give the reason here what happened to your account, or you can give your old password or old contact or whatever you want. Just tell them what happened to your account. They will help you recover your account. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.